good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. How you all doing? I hope you all had a great night, wherever you are. I'm just here. It's morning where I'm at, and this is how I start my morning. Yes, take a stroll down, you know, looking at the birds, listening to the birds singing sweet songs of melody. Yes, looking at the green leaves. Yes, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Yes, plus it's a little bit windy. The grass is green. Yes, you could hear the birds. You see them? Or you hear them? Yes. God is awesome. He made all of this possible. Without him, it would never be possible. So whatever you're doing, wherever you are, at work, at home, on the bus, in your car, just remember, He is awesome. And with Him, we can do all things. Yes. Show a little love. Yes. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish. Yes, look at that bird. Yes. Let love. Yes, let love. Let's love each other as we go out. We stay, don't waver. Just let us show some form of love, some form of kindness. Show a little kindness. Yes, let's show a little kindness. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And just remember, God loves you. And I do too. Yes. Awesome God. He made all of this possible. Yes. Smell that clean, fresh. Have a blessed day. Love you guys.